This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Oh no!
The elevator doors close.
Oh!
Wait, what do I see there? Maybe he is dangerous. You should be careful in the elevator. Don't push the doors, it is not safe, baby. Elevator isn't for games and fun. Elevator might be.
Bruh.
So I can keep a special eye on it for you.
Oh, don't worry. It's safe. Chef Thorne made me lock it away in the buttercup, and no one's going to get in. Unless they find the key I hid under the yellow flower by the door. But that'll never happen because I'm a good hider. Night, Ellery.
This is going to be easier than I thought. Perfect. Oh, Ellery, you are so good. Just a lily bird dropping something, folks. All asleep. Now I can creep in quietly without anyone hearing me.
Huh? Are you hearing that, Spearmint?
I certainly am, Zinnia. I think it's a park visitor, the lady with the squeaky shoes.
And she's getting closer. Let's go! Visitor alert! Leap up, little buds! Visitor alert!
Oh, great. Anyone not already awake will be awake now.
Lily buds, alert is over! Don't worry, Thistle. It's probably just a tree in the wind. There's no wind. Or Thorn with his squeaky wheelbarrow. He's never up this late.
Could it be a rare bird about to lay an egg?
It's coming from over there. Hello! Hi, Plum. Hi, everyone. See my new pogo stick? Isn't it amazing? Anyone want to try it?
No, thank you, Plum. Don't you think it's a little late for pogoing?
Oh, but Cat, nighttime is the best time to pogo. The moon shines down and the stars are out, and it's so... Not anymore. What do we do? I haven't slept a wink.
Can't we just tell her to hop somewhere else?
I think that might hurt her feelings. Trouble is, opossums are nocturnal, which means they sleep in the day and come out at night. And nothing's going to change that. Wait, Lilac, we could try to change it so we can all get a good night's sleep before the picnic. Just this once. Try to get her to sleep? That's never going to happen. Go to sleep, your time has come to join the little possums in dreamland. Go to sleep, your time has come to join the little possums.
I love this song. It makes me want to dance. Watch me dance, everyone. I spy with my little eye something beginning with M. Moon. It's Moon. I'm right.
I didn't think it was possible to become more awake. What she needs is something to make her relax. Something like
Lavender.
You're right, Cat. Lavender flowers have such a beautiful smell that they help people fall asleep.
sleepy time lavender coming up.
But why do I have to wear a silly sheep wig?
Because counting sheep helps you fall asleep.
But I don't need any help. I could fall asleep right here.
Not you, Plum. Now jump over the bed and baa like a sheep.
Bar.
1.
Bar.
That's the same sheep. No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Time for bed.
Oh, we'll never get her to sleep like this. There's only one way. Have her play so hard that she gets tired and has to fall asleep. I'm tired just thinking about it. Come on, Plum. Do you want to play?
Yes!
I'm not happy.
Thorn,
That's too much pepperoni.
when you wake up, I will have stolen your...
It was wrong to think we could change her. She sleeps in the day and plays all night. That's Plum.
If we could just get her to play a bit more quietly.
Oh, stop that pogo stick squeaking.
Hang on. I might be able to help. Pogo silencer.
Moss, that's brilliant.
Here you go, Plum. Have all you want.
No, thank you. It's time for me to go to bed.
You're finally tired?
Of course. Everyone needs a rest, don't they? Bye.
And no one's gonna get in. Unless they find the key I hid under the yellow flower by the door. Ah! The sun coming up, the smell of lavender. It's going to be a great day for my picnic. Hiya, boss. Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yes, slept like a log. Let's get this show on the road.
Huh? Oh? What a great guy.
Huh? Hillary?
Yeah, he said he'd take care of the picnic basket, and he hasn't let it out of his sight. Where is everyone?
Looks like it's you and me again, Bucky.